Hello everybody. This is a short video on how to use and turn something into the Dropbox. First, I want to let you know that Dropbox will take PowerPoint, PDF, rich text format, and Word documents. It does not take a lot of pictures. If it's saying your submission's too big, especially if it's something you scanned, I suggest resaving it as a PDF or copying and pasting it into a PowerPoint or a Word document. That seems to solve the problem. So you go to your classes. You're going to click on the class that your Dropbox is in and find that assignment that you need to submit something to. For example, here's an assignment that you guys have today that is due. You can see it's got this little picture with paper and it looks like it's going to the top of a box. That means there's a Dropbox. There's a place for you to turn it in. So you'll click on it and you'll see the instructions, if there's anything attached to it, and then you'll see right here, you haven't submitted anything yet. Sometimes you have submitted stuff. You can submit more than once. All you have to do is click Upload and find what you want to turn in. So you click it, find it, and click Open, and it's going to upload it to that Dropbox. Or you can drag and drop it. See, it says Drop Files here. You could open it up, drag it, drop it here. Once it's in there, you will hit Submit. If when you hit Submit, you get an error, that means your assignment that you submitted, your submission is too big, or it is the wrong format. Again, it will take rich text format, PDFs, Word documents, and PowerPoints generally work the best. If you need help figuring those out, please let your teacher know. But that's it. Once you hit Submit, it is submitted and your teacher will grade it as quickly as they can. I hope that helps you guys. If you need anything else, let your teachers know.